Okay, good day everyone. My name is Greg and welcome to the ITV411 YouTube channel. In this demonstration, I will show you how to display the total number of bits and list their names using ASP.NET Web Forms connected to a database. By the way, I already have the database prepared and here is the demo flow from UI, then libraries, next connection, then load, then count, then list and config. So from the SPX file, then we have the SPX.cs file for backend logic, data connection, page load control, count query, list section, and config file. Okay, opening Visual Studio, naming the project as count list. Then I create a web forms project, select web form, and set it as the start page. The ASP label control is used to display the number of, and bulleted list is used for the list of all pet names. So let's go to the spx.cs file. Let's add the first library SQL client and the second library configuration. Then I declare the connection string before the page load method. Inside page load, I use IsPostBack, then call load bit data. Inside the load bit data method, I use SQL connection and open the connection. This part counts the number of the bits inside the database. And this part retrieves the list of the bit names from the database. Okay, let's open the web config file, then add the connection string inside the connection string tag. Set the data source to localhost and enable trust server certificate. Then set the provider's name to system.data SQL client. Alright, I think this is good to go. Let's try to run the program. Okay, total pits 6, and below is the list of the pit names from the database. Now let's verify the data inside database. I will check the table inside the pits database. We'll confirm if the data shown in the browser matches the data inside the database. Okay, in summary, ASP.NET Web Forms application with database connection, displaying total number of pits and list all pits names using bulleted list. Key takeaways, database connection using connection string, page load with IsPostBack for controlling data loading, then ExecuteScalar is used for retrieving a single value, which is the count, and SqlDataReader is used for retrieving multiple records for the list. That is all. And once again, my name is Greg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.